What's up, dudes and dudettes, children of all ages? It's me, it's Go-Go Daddy, coming at you live from the mart in the car. I came out to get my Mountain Dew, which is right here, and saw a little vending machine thingy. You know, you get the old stuff. So I already opened one. Well, this one was already opened. I opened them up just to quickly get them out of the package. Let's see what I got after I take this. If I can open this bottle. Oh, I dropped the pack. WCW official trading cards from 1991. Let's you know, my channel is not only dedicated to diecast anymore, as I do everything. Let's see. Open up this one. It fell. And let's see what we can pull out of here. Come on. There we go. Package fell. And upside down. We'll go this way. What do we got? Steiner Brothers. That's Scott Steiner in the background behind Rick Steiner, and he got a pit bull or a bull with him. But looking at a doggy, you know, because that's his trademark is a woof woof. Sting, yeah, baby. That's awesome. Got me a Sting. Got the good old Ric Flair. Woo! Come on, focus. There we go. The Nature Boy. That's awesome. Always love to get me some Ric Flairs. Let's see what's next. Put him down there. We got Southern Boys. He looks familiar. Don't know who he is. Probably do, but don't know. Oh, on the back of them they got stuff. Like, alright. We got Sid Vicious. I remember when he broke his leg jumping off the top rope. Man, that was wicked sick. Another Ric Flair. Southern Boys. I think his name is Steve Armstrong. But it says Southern Boys right there. I'm wrong. Missy Hyatt. Who remembers her? Is that Jim Cornette? Yeah, it is. Ooh, Arn Anderson, Enforcer. Four Horsemen. Flying Brian Pillman. May he rest in peace. He was one of the greats. Doom. Come on, focus. There we go. Ric Flair. And El Gigante, or Gigante. Giant Gonzalez is what he was in WWE. Let me pause that so you can read that. That was cool. I'll go on to this one. Come on. Open. Yeah, I'm wearing earphones. I really can't hear what I'm saying. But, come on, open. Alright, I'm going to pause. I'll be right back. I'm back. Got it open. And we got Stinger going for a Scorpion Deathlock. That's awesome. Good old Sting, who will be featured at WrestleMania against Triple H. No Pain, No Gain. Venice Beach, California. Scorpion Deathlock. That's my dude. Then we got Terry Taylor. Don't remember who he is. He looks familiar though. Then we got the Fabulous Freebirds, Michael Hayes. Focus. Here we go. Good old Michael Hayes. And Jimmy Jam Garvin. Awesome. Z-Man. I don't remember who Z-Man was. Rick Martel, maybe? I don't know. All-American Lex Luger, who in my opinion made that jump from WWE to WCW, was the best thing that could happen. That shocked the world. Yeah, man. First they could still play. Oh, another Steiner brothers, Rick Steiner, Scott Steiner, and Rick Steiner. Frankensteiner. That's not a hole. That's a that's like a what you call it? Modified Hurricanrana off the top rope. Sting! Another Sting. Awesome. Another Ric Flair. Man, look at that hair. Come on, focus. That hair is wicked. Nature Boy. Steiner brothers again. Scott Steiner before he started taking the roids. Good stuff. Good stuff. Ooh, Sid Vicious going after Sting. Those are the days, man, when wrestling was wrestling. Southern Boys. There we go. Steve Armstrong and Tracy Smothers. Yeah. And last but not least, Ric Flair and Sting. Those two had a feud going on for decades, man. Styling, profiling. To beat a man, you gotta beat the man. That's awesome. Awesome set of cards. But that is from back in the day. Get your WCW Premier Edition Collector's Album now at WCW.com, which is no longer there. But that's it, guys. That's it for this edition of Diecast Presents. Stay tuned for more. As always, happy hunting, happy hauling, happy collecting. Peace, love, and collecting. We're out.